Hello, I'm Juan Banchs, one of the founders of Vitest, a COVID-19 rapid diagnostics device which provides accurate results within minutes. We're a spin-off project from Alcatera Inc., which is an Anderson Accelerator alumni company from 2018. As you know, PCR COVID tests are slow, taking 24 to 48 hours or more with delays. They're expensive when not covered by insurance, like for traveling, and some procedures are rather uncomfortable. Our solution is a quick, affordable, and painless COVID-19 rapid diagnostic device. You self-test, obtaining results within 5 minutes. It's cheaper than the competitors. It's as simple as blowing air through a straw. And we have one patent pending to ensure we stay competitive. Clearly, we're making some bold claims, given the uncertainty COVID has left the world in. That's why we've already tested Vitest Lab version 2.0 prototypes on patients in Italy. It's accurate, we match the PCR gold standard, and quickly approvable, because we qualify under EUA 510K, which is the FDA's emergency use authorization due to COVID-19. There have been over 2.8 billion tests worldwide since the start of the pandemic, with 1.5 million daily tests in the US alone, and it's expanding. At the start of October, the Biden administration announced a $1 billion investment into production of at-home COVID-19 tests. And this is widely applicable from transplantation, businesses, sports, and many other events. In Hawaii alone, there's a 54 million potential revenue pool. With 50% of Hawaii visitors, that means 2.7 million yearly tests, and with $10 devices and $5 pods, that yields 54 million in yearly revenue from Hawaii alone. And the competition? Well, we've certainly got a lot. This chart compares the current standard test with days post-infection against how well it works. And it shows the silent spread that arises from a quick antigen test versus the slow and cumbersome PCR. Vitest is easier, faster, and cheaper by being different than PCR. We test for the virus directly, or part of it, rather than the internal RNA, which is not necessarily indicative of the presence of the virus. This also allows for multivariant detection, which the competition does not address. Additionally, beyond COVID-19, it can be expanded to flu viruses and others. Plus, this technology can simplify cancer detection through liquid biopsy rather than a regular biopsy, which requires surgery. And how can we do this? Well, our most powerful innovation is the pioneering research done by Danielle, one of our co-founders, and our partners in Italy. A paper pre-published at the start of this October outlines the scientific breakthrough that enables our sensors, and which already has a patent pending. Our team has been working since the start of COVID in May 2020. I'm pursuing a bachelor's and master's from UCLA. I'm a key contributor at Alcatera and have hands-on experience with companies like Facebook, Accenture, and more. Richard is a multi-company founder with decades of experience. He has a PhD from the University of Wuppertal in electronics and applied physics, previously worked at Teledyne, and is of course the CEO of Alcatera. Danielle is the lead biologist and an associate professor at Mark Polytechnic, as well as an experienced researcher from the University of Italian Switzerland, Leuven, and La Sapienza. Now to the ask. We're asking for $5 million as an initial investment opportunity with a preferred investor background in pharma and/or food. This will be used for product development and costs, as well as marketing and FDA approval. We're targeting 1 million COVID tests, starting in Hawaii, Serbia, and Italy, and expanding to more. And we expect to quadruple that to 20 million over 6 to 12 months. And that's it. Thank you for listening.